receiver, got everything hooked up
Which
right,
of course powers
but
the
I got a
receiver.
normally open contact, and
Your wire colors may be
no
different.
power.
I just mimicked what was
And
already
I think what I
there,
need is a jumper wire from the red here to the 5.
which is normally closed.
That way it's normally closed, and when the button's pushed, it would click over and give power to there. I would think this would happen in the
Circuit
unit,
board.
but it doesn't appear to be. So I think what I need is a jumper from 3 to 5 is my guess.
I'd bring the incoming power over to the normally closed contact.
Here is an extra piece of wire that's not in use, so I'm going to take it back.
So I first connected the jumper to the 5, normally open, and then
Test this, I should be able to just connect it here and push the button. Yes, that's what it was. Alright, just need the jumper wire there.
with gates,
Nice.
generally power keeps
Before
the
I
gate
get too
open,
excited, I'll let it close and make sure it closes.
and no power makes it close.
Test it again. That was tricky. The directions did not explain any of that. But I was thinking about air conditioning and the thermostats and how that works, and was able to figure it out. Yeah. So now I'll just need to connect that wire together and be all set.
Turn off the power.
Now that that's done, I'll be able to undo these wires, twist them together, reinsert, and be all set. Got them nice and twisted together. Insert in there, tighten it down. We should be all set. Yay. And turn it on, good to go.